Meaning of hydraulics.
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 Hydraulics. Hydraulics is the branch of science and engineering that deals with the behavior of fluids in motion and under pressure. In particular, it focuses on the use of pressurized liquids to create mechanical force and movement. Hydraulic systems are widely used in applications such as construction machinery, airplanes, and automobiles. These systems work by using pumps to move a liquid, typically oil, through a series of tubes and valves to create pressure and force. The resulting movements can be used for tasks such as lifting heavy loads, steering vehicles, and powering other mechanical processes.